Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, in today's video we are going to see a high protein vegan recipe which is sauteed green beans or green beans stir fry. So friends, let's get started with this easy, healthy and tasty green beans recipe. So here I have taken some green beans which has been washed, and now we need to cut the top and bottom portion and then cut diagonally into this size and shape. So I have finished slicing all the green beans in the same way, and now we need to slightly boil them for just 1 to 2 minutes so that they are partially cooked. For that, heat some water in a saucepan. Into it we'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, and when the water starts to boil we will add the sliced green beans and we'll cook for just 2 minutes on medium flame. And by now the green beans are partially cooked, so I will turn off the flame and drain off the water. Next, you will also need 5 to 6 large garlic pods which we need to mince or finely chop them. So in this way you need to chop the garlic, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a pan and into it I'll be adding around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can add any other oil of your choice. Now spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot, we will add the finely chopped garlic. Then goes 3 to 4 red chillies. Stir them well for a few seconds. Next goes 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce or any other hot sauce of your choice. Saute them for a while, and once they turn aromatic, we will add the partially cooked green beans into it. And we need to stir them well. And now we will quickly season them with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Now give this a good mix. So by now the green beans has been sauteed well with the chili garlic infused oil. So I will turn off the flame and arrange them in a serving plate. And here goes our quick, healthy and tasty green beans stir fry or sauteed green beans with chili garlic and sesame seeds. So friends, I hope you will try this high protein vegan green beans recipe, which can be enjoyed as a side dish. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.